This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. If you own a Google Pixel, make sure you have installed the November security updates. Otherwise, your device is exposed to a lock screen bypass vulnerability. Here's how you can reproduce that vulnerability. Step 1. Lock the screen. You can do this by entering an incorrect PIN or using a wrong biometric fingerprint 3 times in a row. Step 2. Remove SIM card and replace with an attacker-controlled SIM. Step 3. Enter the incorrect SIM code 3 times to lock the SIM card. Step 4. Enter the PUK code or the personal unlocking key for the card. It should now prompt you to enter a new PIN code for the SIM card. Once you have done that, it takes you straight to the home screen. You have just bypassed the phone's lock screen and have access to the device's contents. This vulnerability was disclosed to Google back in June this year, and the security researcher was awarded a $70,000 bounty. It isn't specific to Google Pixel and might affect other Android vendors, especially those that are no longer supported by the manufacturers.